Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken popcorn using an easy method. First, you'll want to prepare your chicken by cutting 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken into small, uniform, bite-sized pieces. Next, marinate these pieces with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Ensure all the chicken is well coated. For the best flavor, let this marinate for at least 30 minutes, or even longer if you have the time. Now, let's get our breading ready. In a shallow dish, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of paprika and half a teaspoon of salt, mixing well. In another dish, beat 1 large egg. Take each marinated chicken piece, dip it into the beaten egg, letting any excess drip off. Then, transfer it to the seasoned flour mixture, ensuring it's completely coated on all sides for that perfect crispy texture. It's time to fry our delicious chicken popcorn. Heat about 3 inches of cooking oil in a deep pan or pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully add the breaded chicken pieces in small batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are cooked through. Once done, remove them and drain on a wire rack to keep them crispy. Your homemade chicken popcorn is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot with your favorite dipping sauces, like ketchup, barbecue, or a spicy mayo. This easy recipe typically yields about 4 generous servings, perfect for a snack or a fun meal. Remember, for more great deals and to check out those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.